Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to do one of my favorite night out looks with a bold lip. You can base your color palette for this look off of whatever color you choose. I chose purple because it's a great way to get into the spring spirit. So let's get started. Starting off with a bare face, the first thing you're going to want to do is moisturize and then put on a primer. I've already done these two steps, so let's get right to the next one. Apply your foundation to your entire face and neck with a damp Beauty Blender sponge. After your foundation, conceal any other blemishes with a Beauty Blender. Pay extra attention to those under-eye circles, redness around the nose and mouth. Next, set your foundation with a translucent setting powder. Setting your makeup will help it stay in place throughout the entire night. Make sure to put extra powder underneath your eyes to catch any fallout during eye makeup application. This is going to make you look slightly scary, but I promise it will save your makeup in the long run. Next comes the fun part, eye makeup. Today, I'm going to be doing a neutral eye with some purple tones that will accent my bold lip. This look will consist of two transition shades, a dark crease shade, and a lid shade. Starting off, take a base color that matches your skin tone and apply that to cover your entire upper eye area. This will ensure smooth makeup application. Next, take a fluffier, tapered brush and apply your first transition shade into the crease of your eye. Use a light hand and a windshield wiper motion. Next, go back with the same brush and apply the second transition shade right underneath the first. Using the same brush, take your last and darkest crease shade and blend that into the crease of your eye. Once you have all these colors applied, take a clean, soft brush and blend them together. Then, take a small, compact brush and apply your lid color to the entirety of your eyelid, making sure to keep a crisp line between your lid and crease application. Remember, this color is going to be the accent of your eye. We are going to repeat these steps as we define our eyes. Using the same fluffier tapered brush as before, start with your lightest transition shade and line this under your eyes. As you move towards your darker shades, apply the shadows closer and closer to your bottom waterline, leaving the darkest crease color to rest just on your waterline. Add your lid shade to the inside corner of your eye for a nice highlight. Lastly, I'm going to finish up with an eyeliner. Once your eyeliner is finished, use a clean, soft brush to brush away the excess setting powder that you have under your eyes. This will remove any fallout that happened when applying your eye makeup, and your foundation will still be intact. Now it's time to fill in your brows. Use a brush and brush out your brows into their natural shape. Then go back and fill them in with an eyebrow pencil. Take a clean brush and apply bronzer in what I call a number 3 motion on your face. The bronzer should be applied to the hairline on your forehead, the hollows of your cheeks, and the jawline. After you apply the bronzer, blend it in with the same damp makeup sponge, making sure there are no harsh lines or color changes. After bronzer, add blush to the apples of your cheeks. Blend it in with the same Beauty Blender. Using a setting spray, set your makeup by misting your entire face. Apply mascara to your upper and lower lashes. Lastly, add lipstick. Start by lining your lips with a lip pencil and then fill them in with lip color. Congratulations! You've finished your look and are ready for a night out on the town. See you next time.